We're capturing digital information everywhere, on our phones and watches, on our transport systems, and from satellites and drones. This information can provide really valuable insights into where we need our resources and how we use our services. With the right people and knowledge, we can use this information to plan our cities to be more livable and plan our environment to be more sustainable. Digital infrastructure engineering is the next generation of data and systems that will underpin the way we design, build and manage our cities and the environment. In the Masters, you'll study how to design sensor networks that are safe from cyber attack. You'll learn how to build virtual reality apps so that people can interact with 3D models of our buildings and cities. And you'll learn about artificial intelligence and how to use machine learning for image recognition from satellite images. You work with leading industry partners on projects developing intelligent assets that tell us if and when they need replacing, using artificial intelligence and sensors that can detect cracks and faults long before the human eye could. You work on projects that integrate real-time information about the location of people, resources and transport so that we can respond better in a disaster. And you'll use augmented reality to enable people to interact with BIM and practice construction and maintenance off-site.
What I love about this program is just the variety of everything. So you have this variety of data that we use. We use images, satellite images, 3D data. You have this variety of scale. We're looking at cities on a large scale, then zooming into buildings and pedestrians. And you have this huge variety of applications and stuff that we do with this data. We have construction, navigation, documentation of heritage buildings. There's just so much variety, I can never get bored of it. It's just so interesting.
When you graduate, you'll be able to work with a really wide range of sectors. You might work locally with councils, modelling in 3D the impact of floods and designing more resilient precincts. You might work nationally, piloting UAV to capture 3D models of our electricity and transport networks. Or you might work internationally with developing nations, digitising their land information and helping them achieve the Sustainable Development Goals. Study with us and you'll become an expert in the digital infrastructure that we need to engineer a sustainable future.